Okay, hello everyone. So today I am here with the question of JEE Mains that has been asked on 24 January 2025. So the question was like this: if A is a 3 cross 3 matrix such that the determinant of A is given as 2, then we have to find the determinant, adjoint of adjoint of adjoint, and again adjoint of A. Means 4 times adjoint of A. And the options that were given was 2 to the power 32, 2 to the power 16, 2 to the power 8, and 2 to the power 12. So this was actually easy question, and let's see what was the concept. The concept was when we have been given det of A. So we'll write the det of A, determinant of A, it is given as 2, and since there is how many times it is given, adjoint is given as 4 times, so this will simply become determinant of A, and the order you see here, the order is given as 3. So the concept here is we have to n minus 1, and how many times the adjoint is given as 4. So n minus 1 to the power 4. Whatever is the determinant of A, n minus 1, and where is the order, and to the power 4 times, the reason is there are 4 times adjoint given. So now we'll put the values. Determinant of A is given as actually 2, n minus 1, that is will become 3 minus 1, and to the power 4. So this will simply become 2, 3 minus 1, 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is 16. So finally it will come 2 to the power 16, and we can get the answer B. So this was a simple problem.